Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Inspired with Anushka. Students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Let's start today's topic. The topic for today is endoplasmic reticulum. So, students, without doing any delay, let's start the topic. Please be continue with me for the complete knowledge of this topic. It is network of a tube or channel of membrane in the cytoplasm which helps in the protein synthesis and conduction of materials. So, endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membrane. It's a double membrane structure which runs through the cytoplasm. Depending upon the presence and absence of the ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, these are of two types, that is endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And two important facts which I can want to express with you all, that mammalian RBC lacks the endoplasmic reticulum and prokaryote cells also lacks endoplasmic reticulum. These two living cells doesn't have the endoplasmic reticulums inside that. So let's have a look over the these two types of endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough and smooth. The bearing ribosomes attached on its surface to assist in the synthesis of protein is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, which have the ribosomes present on its outer body surface. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have the ribosomes on its outer surface, so it does not have the ribosomes attached to its surface, and it meant for secreting lipids. It only secretes lipids. So let's have a look over the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. That endoplasmic reticulum provide mechanical support to the cell. It forms the intracellular transportation system. It forms a new nuclear membrane after every cell division. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum takes part in the synthesis of only lipids, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum along with the ribosomes attached to its surface helps in the synthesis and transportation of proteins. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum takes part in the secretion of lipids only. Endoplasmic reticulum provides increased surface area for the metabolic reaction that takes place inside the cells. Endoplasmic reticulum, being a membrane network, provides mechanical support to the cytoplasm also. Protein and lipid synthesis in endoplasmic reticulum used for the producing new cell membrane during the cell division. The term membrane biogenes, some other proteins and lipids functions as enzyme and hormones also helps in doing it. So this is all about the topic endoplasmic reticulum. We discussed here about what's the definition of endoplasmic reticulum, what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is divided into on the basis of presence of ribosomes on its outer surface. It's divided into the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So friends, this is all about the today's topic. Thank you for watching and being with me. Please students, subscribe the channel for the next videos of the topic related to only cells. Nowadays I am only discussing about the topics of cell. So firstly, the cytology part of the biology is completed, then we will start the another topic. So please be with me, and if you like the video, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.